Good morning. Sat at the bus stop waiting for a bus, obviously, not just here for fun. Bit damp because it's raining. Lovely. Yeah, still not sure what to do today. I mean, obviously I'm going to Cowbridge to get my back cracked. I'm not sure what else. Whether I'm in the mood for going to pub crawl afterwards, or whether I just come back home and chill, maybe do some work. I should do some at some point. I'm not sure. Shall see what I feel like later. Bloody raining even worse in Cowbridge. Ooh, the buggers. Not happy about this. Oh well. I've only got my little coat on as well. It's not time for big coat yet. Damn it. Right, anyway, it's off to get cracked. And I'll see you after. Okay, all done. Ooh, I had some neck cracks in this one. And like I said, oh, they wanted to come out. I was like, oh yeah, that was good. So, oh, look at that car. That's quite cute, isn't it? Yeah, so that was a nice one. No acupuncture today, but it was all like pressure points and stuff. So, yeah, I felt nice. Anyways, let's do some shops. Oh, hello. Pre-love stuff. Okay, let's go in. Check it out. Wow. Is it okay if I vlog?
Yeah.
Cool. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. All right.
Yeah, looking at, you've got lots of lovely pre-owned bits. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, my word. Okay. Alexander McQueen. Wow. That's pretty cool. Good old Vivienne Westwood as well.
Yeah, it's all pre-loved except the seagull jewelry that I make with sterling silver from Portugal.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, this could be quite tempting. Ah, nice lady in there. She's been doing it for 9 years apparently, doing all the Pandora and the Thomas Sabo and things. A little bit pricey for me, for what I want, but she did have some gorgeous stuff. So, anyways, charity shops, more my price thing. I started with cancer research. Oh. Just nice to get in from the rain. I'm brand new. Ostrich feathers. Can you do the fandango? Anything new in this week? Nope, nothing here. Anything in the bric-a-brac? An omelette pan. No nice fancy glasses for me this week. Well, there's those ones, but I like the one I bought last time. Ah, that's quite nice. Yoink. You're coming home with me. And have we got anything in here? Oh, quite like that bracelet there. That's fancy. Brooches and things. And still those weird teapots. Yeah. Oh well. 10 of us. What's in the window today? Lots of Welsh stuff. Model cars. Dylan Thomas. People of the Valley. Oh, it is lovely. Fantastic suit. Da, da, da. Posh shoes. What have we got in the bric-a-brac? Quaker Oats. crystal bunny. Back pottery. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Is that a secrety box thing? I don't know. Yes, little pencil box. Quite sweet. And jewelry. Nothing there. That's a cool fossil, isn't it? A bit blue. I haven't been filling up the jewellery, and I know why, because the dude that does it has gone away on holiday. What's in the tea haven window today? All about gardening and things. Remember to start harvesting your seeds. Apparently we're not in. He says for admin, but I know he's just gone next door for his lunch. Which is fair enough, I'll get him on the way back. Oh well. Cat protection, reopen Thursday the 5th. Is that today? Big summer sale. Ah, cute little gingham bag. Right. Ooh, fancy canvas. Got the incense going. Ooh, little fire puffer thing.
Yes.
Oh, done. Cake stand.
Thank you very much. What did you do yesterday?
£22.
Oh,
Anything in here?
just got a lot done at home.
What are you going to
Let's see if there's anything in here. They just said they've taken most of the bric-a-brac off because they've got a big clothing sale. It's a nice big chunky wooden one. Nothing's grabbing me here. I wish they would sell these green cats, but no, they're not for sale. Cute. A giant bunny head. Hello. And now dog's dressed. That was the free dog there. We're looking for an assistant manager. Oh, not me. Hiya, you're right. What have we got in the specials today? Unusual pendant. Whatever that is. Wallets. What's there? Some forks. There's a couple of silver bits, a little bit pricey for me though. Yes, you're coming home with me. And what are you? Weird. Okay, well, that's nearly all of them done. I didn't buy that green necklace in there because as I picked it up, it's literally like one thread holding it together, so it was just about to go. But I did spend £39 on some other stuff. Right, I wonder, might go grab coffee, maybe even a bit of lunch. We'll see. Fancy just chilling out somewhere for a bit anyway. Actually, bugger it, we're on the bus back to Bridget. Here we are in Bridgend. It's looking delightful today, isn't it? Yes. Little police box. Anyways, we're going over there. Just a quick look. PDSA. YMCA. And Heart Foundation. Yeah. And now the butcher's for some steak. Or maybe a bit of butter too. I am back home and this is my haul, obviously. A bunch of various jewellery bits, which I will show in a Sparkly Things video soon. Some butter, some Welsh cakes for Mum and Mark, and a nice big sirloin steak for my Friday night tea, a Stanley Kubrick collection, a giant hair head, and I also got these nice Christmassy goblets for £1 each. They're rather okay, aren't they? Yeah. Oofed, and it looks like we're having meatballs for tea. Lush. She's my pup. You're okay then. You okay? Okay, Papa. Hello, Tilda Plop. What do you think of a big rabbit? See, what the buggery is that? Huh? Yes, not impressed, are you? Oh well. And now it's time for a little bit of YouTube and chill, I think.
This is shocking to me, but when I was going through this motion, and I have not gone through all of the law on this yet, we're going to do that together. When I was going through this motion, I was...
Needy time for dinner. Got some low-carb pasta, normal carb pasta over there for them. That looks beast. Courgettes from the garden, and tomatoes. Lush. Oh, that looks so good. Well, it beat us, didn't it, Mum? So I'm having the rest later. Whew, dinner was lush. Right, I'm going to show you what my plan for tomorrow is. Turn the light on. And that is to film a Sparkly Things video of as much of this as possible. I know, heck of a lot, isn't it? So that's it from me for today. So hopefully I will do this tomorrow. What else? Nothing else exciting really. I'm not sure if there's going to be a bonus Saturday vlog, but you never know. And if not, I shall see you on a Sunday night for my Whatnot show, which is going to be a jewellery fandango. Don't ask me what that means. You'll have to wait and see. It's just a word. Anyways, bye-bye now, bye-bye.